All right, I'm not sure where Damon went off to, but we'll continue with number 44 because this one's also about probability. Okay, so in this question, it reads a prize wheel is shown below, and we see this little roulette wheel. And the question says, what is the probability of winning a prize 2 times in a row? So I'm going to set up my UPSE strategy again, where I want to seek first to understand what the problem is asking me about. Okay. Well, the problem is asking me to find the probability of winning a prize twice in a row. Okay. So I'm going to abbreviate this shorthand. It's asking me to what is the probability of winning a prize 2 times. Okay. What is the probability of winning a prize twice in a row? Okay. In order to know that, I have to know, well, first of all, I have to know the probability of winning a prize. Okay. I have to know whether this is a conditional, whether spinning the wheel the first time affects the second time or not. Oh. Hey, Damon's back. All right. We're just going on with this next problem. Okay. All right. So we're going to take a look at this one. We got a wheel that we're spinning. Oh. And we want to, some of the times you'll win. Some of the times you'll lose, depending on what you spin.
Wasn't it the one from the game that we were doing?
It's pretty close, right? Yeah. It looks kind of like a game. It's like a Wheel of Fortune or something.
No, that was the game that Star made.
Yeah, Star made a game just like this, right? We have to.
Yeah, the same.
Hers looks just like it, huh?
Yeah, it was the same thing. It's a lose.
Yeah.
Lose.
So, and we want to win twice, right? So I wrote that under my my U for understanding. Right, and in order to know what your chances of winning, you have to know how many total sections of the spinner there are, and how many of those sections say win on it, right? So let's put that under my plan.
So it'd be a 2 out of 12.
Okay, so Damon says, well, let's see, let's count them. There's 12 total sections, right? And 2 of them say win on it, right? Mm-hmm. And then I need to do it twice. I need to win again. So this is called a compound event. Remember that? So this is no longer a single event. A single event would be if we spun it once.
But can't you simplify 2 over 12?
Yep.
So that would be a 1 over 6.
Okay, so we could simplify 2/12 as a fraction. That's the same thing as 1/6. You just divide both the 2 and the 12 by 2, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So the probability of winning is 1 out of 6. Probability of winning twice in a row, remember, if it's a compound event, you have to multiply here. On my next thing is UPSE is solved, right? You have to multiply your probabilities together. So it's 1/6 times 1/6. Okay, and unlike the last problem, remember the last problem, our numerator and denominator changed because we took the card out, we didn't put it back. And this one, the first spin doesn't affect the second spin, right? You're not taking anything out.
But then
our number don't change.
That means that one, that'd be another 2, but then it'd be, instead of 12, it'd be over 11.
Well, is it though? If you spin it the second time, do you take one of these things off when you spin it?
Wait, no. So then that wouldn't work. It'd just be another 1 out of 12.
Well, what?
No.
2 out of 12.
Yeah, 2 out of 12.
Right? Yep. So when you spin it, you don't take anything out. So this one's different from the last problem. Yeah. So it would just be 2 out of 12 times 2 out of 12. Or 1, because we reduced it, right?
1 over 6 times 1 over 6.
Yep. So remember, when you multiply fractions, you just multiply straight across.
So that's 1 times 1, which is 1. And 6 times 6 is 36.
Wow, 36. Yep.
Yep.
So that's
J. No. F.
There it is. Right?
That's so messed up. J and F look so much alike.
Yeah, because J says 2 out of 36. Maybe they're thinking somebody is going to accidentally add them.
Yeah.
Or do some stupid mistake like that, right?
Yeah, they think they're going to mess up.
Yeah. The other thing is you could do this with, let's see, the last one we did with a tree diagram. This one I want to show with let's do it with a chart too, just as a second way of doing it. So remember, with a chart, you have your 2 events. Event 1, which is spin, and event 2, which is spin.
So spin 1 and spin 2.
Yep. On spin one, what could you get? You could get a win. Actually, there's quite a few of them, huh? There's 2 wins and 10 loses. So there's 2 wins and 10 loses. Holy smokes. You're not going to win this game. I'm sorry. Wow.
Like, they're going to lose a lot.
On event 2, there are 2 wins and 10 loses. Is that right? 10? Yeah, that's right. Holy smokes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, okay. But this becomes a table. It looks like this, right? And, okay. You can make yours look better, but it looks something like this, right? And the point is, though, how many of these cells have a win-win?
2, no 4.
Yeah, this one does, right? Win-win, 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 and win-win. So our answer will be 4 out of, and then how many cells are there? Well, is it 12 by...
24.
I think it's 12 by 12.
Yeah, 24.
No, 12 times 12. There's 144. Wow. There's 144 boxes here. So if we reduce this... Oh, I'm no longer on here. Yeah. Right? Because there's 12 going this way and there's 12 going this way. So there's 144 boxes.
2 times 2 is 4.
But if we reduce 4 out of 144, that should be... if you do 4, let's see, what's one?
Yeah, you're right.
144 divided by 4, that should give me, let's see, 4 goes into 14 3 times. Remainder of 2. And 4 goes into 24 6 times. So the answer is 1 out of 36. Hey, look.
136.
Same thing we got over here, right? So it works. You can do, just as a reminder,
It works both ways.
You can make a chart, right? You can make a table. If you so want to, right? This is the shorter way, it's just to multiply it. But if you forget to do that, you can always make a table or a tree diagram and work it out that way. All right? We're good? We're good. All right, we're good. Sweet.